Alright guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So right now, as you can see on the screen, this is the BTC USDT 4-hour time frame. Now I don't know if you remember in my last video, if you have been following me, you will see when I made an analysis for BTC that was hoping for buys around this 4-hour order block. Now with my algorithm of the way I approach the forex market as a smart retail trader, what I have to do, I mark out my break of structure, mark out my inducement areas and my liquidity areas, then wait for price to come back to the origin that caused the break of structure, then before the continuation. Now I've been on this trade since on Saturday, and today is Thursday. I've been swinging this trade, but now this is my business. Now this is where I want to talk about on this trade. Now you are seeing this move, right now. What this thing is telling me is that the buyers, they're not ready to take charge in this market currently. It's like the institutional investors, the traders, they need a lot of liquidity before they can move this market. So that's why you are seeing all of these fractals of this movement from here. Now they want to take out some early buyers, late buyers. They want to take out their stop loss before they move. But you know what funny thing about this trading, me myself, I'm just still afraid to start because I don't want price to come back to break even, because I've already said break even already. At least I've gotten close to about 50% of my TP already. So when price was here, I just said break even. So but the way I'm looking at this price is telling me that it needs a lot of liquidity before you can move this market. That's why you are seeing all these are noise, jargons. You know what I mean? All these are jargons. So what I'm just thinking is that we might see price come down, maybe collect those traders stop loss, do some little touch, then before it moves. You know what I mean? But now moving on, let's check another part. Now if you observe, you see that we still have some lows. These are lows, these are liquidity areas. Now this is a favorable gap, this is a breaker block, this is also liquidity, and this is a sharp clean 4-hour order block that has not been mitigated. Don't forget, as a 94k. You understand? So BTC might just still do all its noise, jargons, and still come down and tap into these areas, then before the bull runs will come into the market. You know, one thing about trading is more like probability. You understand? Probability, profit loss. So it's like we're not certain, but we predict what will happen in the future, like an unseen data. You know what I mean? So it's more like we're predicting. So for now, with what I know and with my algorithm that I use in forex, I've tried my best already, and I'll stick to my plan and apply my risk management. That's why you still need to know how to control your risk. You understand me? So I've done what I have to do on this chart, and I will leave the rest for God and for the big banks to do what they have to do. You know what I mean? Money to at least daily bread now. You know what's up now? They deliver. They should deliver their poly units. So it is what it is. After breaks, I spot out my liquidity. These are inducements. Yes, these are inducements. And taps into my clean 4-hour order block. I'm swinging, but let's see. And let's see how it's gonna play out. You know what I mean? So and let's hope for the best. So alright guys, if you find this video very helpful, don't forget to like, share, comment, and engage. You know what time it is. Expect more good financial videos and more good content on this my YouTube channel. So if you are not subscribed, subscribe and turn on your post notification. You know what I mean? So any other updates from this BTC trade, I'm gonna drop it back on my same YouTube channel. So it is what it is. See you guys later. Cheers.